Mabuhay! I am Camille Basa from TM4A. I will be sharing with you what I have learned about Manila. Spain colonized and ruled Manila for more than 3 centuries, leaving behind a lasting architectural legacy across the Philippines, particularly in the form of churches, forts, and other colonial structures that are still visible in the late 16th century. Manila has a number of fascinating attractions, a treasure trove just waiting to be explored, offering a variety of historical landmarks, cultural events, and delectable gastronomic pleasures. Attractions such as Intramuros, which is the oldest district and historic heart of Manila, Fort Santiago, one of the country's oldest Hispanic stone castles, San Agustin Church, one of the Philippines' four Baroque churches, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage, Rizal Park, a landmark full of historical significance. The park is a homage to the Philippine national hero, Jose Rizal. National Museum of the Philippines. The museum showcases significant collections from archaeology, arts, cultural properties, zoology, botany, and many more. Binondo Chinatown, known as the first Chinatown in the world, is a lively and historic treasure that provides a real culinary experience.